Ever walked away from a great deal because it felt risky? Or jumped into a bad one because you were chasing momentum? That's not bad luck. That's bad emotional regulation, and is why smart investors still lose money. You feel uncertainty, so you stall. You feel excitement, so you skip due diligence. You feel ready, but didn't run the numbers. You feel unsure, so you ignore the numbers that were telling you yes. This is the game most investors are actually playing, and they don't even know it. You want to win consistently? Learn to trust your process more than your panic. Your underwriting, your rent comps, your cash-on-cash projections, that's your anchor. Your feelings don't get a vote unless they've been trained. Feel the emotions, fine, but act on the numbers. I've coached people with 50 doors, and they're still paralyzed. I've helped newbies walk into six figures because they listened to the data. It's not how long you've been in the game. It's how disciplined you are when it counts. If you want to build wealth, not just deals, you need more than strategy. You need emotional clarity and data discipline. That's what I help real estate investors master. Click on the link. Let's talk.